Best practices for student design competitions online. Design competitions are an excellent way to grow your portfolio, gain recognition, and even win scholarships or internships. Whether hosted by schools, brands, or online platforms, they provide a structured way to push your creativity. Start by understanding the competition brief. What are the requirements? What tools are allowed? Use Homestyler to create your concept designs, render visuals, and produce floor plans. Many competitions now accept digital submissions. And Homestyler's outputs, images, 3D views, and even VR, fit perfectly into online entry forms. Be sure to keep your concept clear. Use design boards that explain your ideas, and showcase before and after perspectives. And if you're collaborating, Homestyler's cloud-based design sharing helps your group stay aligned. To boost your chances, use high-quality renderings and compelling visuals. Want to start designing? The link in the description will give you access to Homestyler, your best companion for competition-ready designs.